Doesn't sound good. Next up, we got a wee Makita SDS drill. A HR2020 or a HR4040. 4040 box, 2020 drill. Yeah, HR2020. This one is from 2004. 21 years old. Let's see what we can do with her. Oh, doesn't sound good. Got the smoke coming out. Is this the motor or something else? Motor turns. Looks like it's the armature. Let's see if this one's going to be worth fixing. It was just the armature and a set of brushes. Actually might not be too bad, but if it needs anything else, it might not be worth it. Hot. I would say they were changed maybe. Don't look all that worn. Well, there's the problem. Well, more than one problem on this thing. The armature is gone. It's burnt. It's also covered in oil. So's in there. To be honest, I'm not sure about this one. Right. Give her a go. We're not going to know till we look. Pull all that out. Test the feed too. I need to wash it out anyway, even if it's not gone. Yeah, that's hot. It's actually hotter than the armature. So I wonder if this is actually just shortened out and not burnt out. Yeah, it's working anyway. We'll test this armature on the growler. It actually doesn't look all that bad, but it is covered in oil. Yeah, that is the problem. Armature's gone. Doesn't look bad, but it is. Normally, I'll get at least one wee black segment or something along here to show that it's burnt. This is all just black oil that's on it. It looks worse than what it is. So all just wiping off. Well, apart from there. The actual bars on it seem quite uniform and don't look burnt. but it is the armature that's gone. So I'll see if I've another one of them in stock. So if I get a diagram of this, part I want is the armature number 54. So these here, you got a 240 volt and a 110. It's the 110 that I want. Copy that. So I go into my stock. Click that on. There we go. 2 in stock. They're costing around €35 each. So that's not too bad a price. Be worth putting on at that. I gotta find out where the hell it is. All the way to the top. There we go. She's all faded, but you can still make it out. That's been up there a while. 2015 written on it. That's the old supplier sticker, not mine. So that there has been here for quite a while. Nice one. Don't even need bearings for it. All ready to go. One armature. Brushes, normally I would replace them, but they're brand new. Still have the wee chamfer at the front, so I'd say that was running badly, or else stopped running, started burning like that, and I tried changing the brushes, so not the best idea, but seeing as they're brand new, I will actually just keep them, not bother replacing them. So it should only be the armature needing this one, and a quick wash. That should get it up and running again. Clean these bits. That's her cleaned. Actually scrubs up quite well. The question is, where did that grease come from? Or the oil? Because that's very clean. How can the gearbox be so clean and the motor be so dirty? It didn't come from there. Unless it leaked out the side here or something. A little bit of stuff there. Look. Maybe. Maybe just weeped out. Just give that a quick wee wipe as well, just to freshen it up. Now, that'll make her a little bit fresher. Now, just in case the grease did leak out, we'll put a wee bit extra in. Not much. And if it has thinned out so that it's separate, that'll help mix it all together again. Could have just weeped out from the side or something like that. The thing's 21 years old and it clearly hasn't been used an awful lot. I wouldn't say this gets pulled out all the time, it's not doing regular work. I've just been lying on the shelf for a year or so, and the oil separated and started leaking out, getting into the motor maybe. Push that on. I'll get the feel back in. That way. Big long screws for the field. That's in there. And we just need to connect up the wires again. So you got your ground in there. Try to get these on nice and straight if you can. You don't want to go them going off to one side. Don't force them. You'll know when they're going right because they should just slide on. Push them all in and tuck in all the wires. Only thing I forgot, la. It's meant to be on there. And as well, also need this for the back of her. It's not going to run very well without that. Your brush holder back end first, then your brushes. Now, hopefully that should run an awful lot better now. Now, for a 21-year-old machine, she's doing all right. Make sure she actually hammers now. For €60, what'd be wrong with that? That gets her up and running again like a new machine, and there's still plenty of hammer out of her. That's grand. That'll keep this man happy. 60 is a lot better than 180 for a new one. Mind you, this is the older model, and she's not like a modern machine with hammer action. She's just two modes, drill and hammer drill. But even still, a lot better value for money fixing this here up than it is to buy a new one. That's her, ready to go. Thanks for watching, folks. As always, if you're liking the videos, give us a wee like and a follow down below. If you have any questions, drop us a wee comment down below as well. Cheers, thanks for watching.